Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the search engine default in the Pale Moon web browser up in the top search field, up in the top right. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by selecting a little search icon next to the search field. Go ahead and left click inside of there, and then you can select where it says manage search engines. Select the one you want to set here, so you can select anything from the list. If you're noticing you're missing Google, you can select where it says get more search engines, and you can select Google from the list here and select add. And now if you go back to the search field up over here at the top, and then you select manage search engines, select Google, and then move up. So you gotta move it all the way up to the top, and then select OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and relaunch Pale Moon. Now you can just set it to Google just by clicking inside of here and just select Google. And if you close out of Pale Moon and relaunch it, it should remain as Google here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.